friend, I am Maryam Fasasi. I am a coach and entrepreneur. I am a fashion designer, beads maker, vase maker here in Ogbomoso, Oyo State, Nigeria. Over the past few years, I have helped hundreds of people to have their own skill in fashion designing, beads making, vase making, and any other craft that you can do with your hands. Welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, educate, entertain, teach you on everything about fashion, bead making, vase making, and any other skills that you can do and earn money from it to pay your bills or any other important purpose. Expect videos on fashion designing, bead making, vase making, my lifestyle, business talking, storytelling, my student reviews, customer reviews, etc. I am here to help you and guide you. Remember to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos on every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of every week, or whenever I upload a new video. If you are interested, or you know someone that is interested in buying Kiddies burgan dress, khimar or Jilbaab, Abaya, hijabs, all same models wears, bracelets, waist beads and anklets, bridal beads, necklaces, all things beads, jewelries, henna kits. Feel free to call me, SMS or WhatsApp +234 81 05 38 7436. I will meet you in my upcoming videos. Thank you.